I just invested $10,000 into one of the lowest market cap coins on the KuCoin exchange. I believe this gem has the potential to go up 50x and possibly even a 100x. So I definitely believe this is going to be a money maker. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. And if you're looking to jump into these awesome gems, check out the KuCoin link. In my opinion, KuCoin is the best exchange out there for those massive gains, for those low cap coins that can skyrocket any day. So make sure you check out KuCoin, and now let's jump straight into the video. So after Lossless had a nice little run, almost 200% in a couple of days since I first mentioned it on this channel, I decided to take some of the profits that I made from Lossless and invested in another low cap gem. Don't get me wrong, I still hold Lossless and I have a moon bag of just over $10,000 worth of Lossless. And I believe Lossless is going to hit all-time highs over and over and over again. But this other gem caught my attention, so over the last 2 days I was pretty much looking into this project, doing my research, and finally today I decided to invest and I finally bought in. And now let's go over to the computer screen so I can show you exactly what coin I ended up purchasing. Let's go. And that coin is called TribeOne. The symbol is Haka, H-A-K-A, and right now here's the current price, just over 22.5 cents. Up 13% on the day. So when we scroll down, you will see that the market cap is only 1.3 million. But after doing my research, this is not the real market cap. It hasn't been updated on CoinMarketCap. The real market cap is just under $7 million. So do not let CoinMarketCap confuse you when you are looking at it. Alright, when we look at the chart today, obviously a good day. The last 7 days, you will see a lot of consolidation. But if you look at earlier, you see consolidation, major pump. And then it consolidates for like a week and then it explodes. Look at this massive run up right here. It literally went from 12 cents to almost 30 cents in like 48 hours. But if you look over the last couple of days, the price has been consolidating between 20 cents and around 24 cents. But I believe it is getting ready to skyrocket once again, so I had to jump in. This upward momentum, in my opinion, will continue. And now let's take a quick look at TribeOne. Be your own bank. Be part of the decentralized AI-powered borrowing platform, saving platform, investing platform. TribeOne will be doing it all. They will also have an NFT platform as well. Your gateway to a truly peer-to-peer, frictionless DeFi. Frictionless DeFi. No middlemen, smart contracts, no high fees, no risk management. You can also buy on PancakeSwap and on Uniswap. Personally, I purchased mine on the KuCoin exchange. And then when we scroll down, you are going to see some of their backers: KuCoin Labs, X21, Spark, GTA Ventures, and a ton of other big backers. When we scroll down, this is what made me so bullish on this project. And it is the TribeOne mobile app. With this app, you'll be able to invest your funds, and if you have stable coins, you'll be able to earn interest on your coins. Also, you'll be able to borrow against your crypto. In my opinion, towards the end of the year, we are going to see a massive spike in people borrowing against their crypto. This is to avoid paying a boatload of money to taxes on their gains that they made this year from crypto. I also believe platforms like TribeOne are going to be perfectly positioned to take advantage of this, and hopefully this will cause the price of TribeOne to go even higher. TribeOne is going to have a lot of awesome features that I'm super excited about. They're going to have instant loans. They're going to have insurance coverage for your crypto, saving plans, loans, a ton of stuff. Also lending and borrowing options with NFT funding, all with the seamless experience on their mobile app. Also, for the people looking to invest, they have a ton of options. They have the low risk, safe plan. This is pretty much allows you to earn interest on your crypto. You will get weekly payouts, there's no lock-in periods, and you can purchase insurance on your crypto, which is extremely interesting. Also, they have the medium risk as well with the NFT pool investing, and they're gonna have the high risk tailor yields. So if you are into NFTs with TribeOne, you'll be able to take out loans against your NFTs, which in my opinion is going to be a game changer. You can also take loans and buy NFTs as well. And with Polka loans, you'll be able to get a value up to 90% worth of your crypto. And here are some things that make TribeOne unique and different compared to other platforms. First off, you'll be able to lend and borrow against your NFTs. You can also put insurance on your collateral. Also, they have loan to value above 75%, which in my opinion is a huge plus. Also, if you repay your loans early, you'll be able to get repayment rewards, which in my opinion is a great feature. And they are non-custodial. You can get loans over 12 months, which in my opinion is absolutely great. Zero collateral lending for the masses. And best of all, there's no KYC required. And even better, the coin is deflationary. So parts of the fees that are generated on the protocol will be used to purchase Haka and burn. So over time, the supply will shrink, causing the price to go even higher. Also, the team behind TribeOne has a ton of experience. As you can see, their founder and CEO, the head of credit risk, and their director of partnerships, they have a ton of experience. You can click on their LinkedIn profile, but they work for Citi, CBI, IBEX, and here are some of their developers, the people that are actually building the platforms, the apps that we are going to use, and some of their advisors as well. Also, the next 3 months are going to be extremely interesting for TribeOne. They're releasing their staking feature where you'll be able to stake your coins for some rewards. The app is coming, and a ton of other awesome partnerships and great news. All of these things put together will cause a massive run in my opinion. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick video. And remember, I am not a financial advisor. Do not take this as financial advice. I'm simply showing you guys what I'm personally investing in and the projects that I believe in. Make sure to do your own research before you invest in any crypto. Also, if you want to learn more about TribeOne, make sure you hit that like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be releasing a lot more content on this project, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.